Increased urbanization in the recent decade has meant an upturn in the construction of high-rise building. The sheer scale of these constructions involving tower crane present safety challenges to workers and the general public. Cranes or lifting machinery are involved in a significant proportion of construction accidents. There is a clear need to reduce the accidents by incorporating information technology. Hence the development of HiCharm TSM system and HiCharm Cloud services. HiCharm Cloud system through digitization and Internet of Things aim to reduce the risk of accidents for lifting equipments. The system offers a variety of functions to monitor the operation of the tower crane. HiCharm Cloud provides accurate location using GPS technology. We only allow qualified operators by using face recognition to operate the tower cranes. The system automatically records the check-in and check-out time of the operators and location. Any data or past records can be easily downloaded from the app. HiCharm Cloud also provides real-time video live streaming. Tower crane hook block monitoring. Operators cabin monitoring. Hoist drum monitoring. HiCharm Cloud is a multifunctional data instrument that collect and display the tower crane operating parameter, display parameter, data interaction, tower crane working hour, tower crane life cycle, maintenance and repairing records. The system allows easy upload of photos, video, or reports to the cloud and allows information to be shared by all users. The function of the TSM zoning and anti-collision system prevents the oversailing of critical zones and of static obstacles. The crane can therefore work in proximity of the zone or follow its boundary safely. This system allows the cranes to track each other automatically at a safe working distance. If the operator violates any safety regulation, the system allows the crane remote deactivation via the app. The system will automatically collect and update staff statistics, task, and assignment management. The system is user-friendly as it provides online help and assistance. Together, we look forward to digitizing the entire construction industry and provide a safer working environment.